Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to create add yours template story on Instagram. First of all, go ahead and open your Instagram app and now tap on this plus icon at the bottom and here select story. And now you can capture a story photo or you can upload a photo from your gallery. I'm going to creating a story. And now just tap on the sticker icon and here you will find these add yours option. So all you have to need just add yours sticker, and once the sticker add date, give here a prompt and now just tap on done. And you can resize add your sticker like this and just go ahead and send this story to your Instagram, and now on anyone will be able to easily add their story from your story by tapping on this add yours option. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.